In this how-to in Bluebeam, we're going to go over the tool chest and how it's used for markups. For any assignment that you're doing a handful of markups or a dozen markups over and over again, it makes sense to use the tool chest to streamline the process. So for this exercise sample that I'm doing is just elevation view of the project. Going to look at statusing openings for windows and doors. So we've got the four different statuses here: not started, in progress, questions, installed. And for each of these markups, the tool chest is actually one of these icons here. For each of these markups, we'll go ahead and add it to the tool chest. So we'll start in order, right click, add to tool chest, my tools. This one, same thing. Same thing, and for installed. So right here is where it's added. You'll see it's added on the tail end. We can move these, so I'm going to move it in the same order into the 1, into the 2. You can see these numbers here. They're used for hotkeys later. Move that to the 4. So now when you hit the number 1 on your keyboard, it pops up with the same size, same properties. 2, 3, and 4. So this can help you speed up the process just by setting up where you want your hotkeys to be and then clicking through as you need it. So then it's easy enough to just change back and forth as you're doing the different elevations. The other thing to do is that you can either right click either of these and go to properties mode, or you can double click it and it changes to properties mode. And this is very useful for me when you're doing different sizes. Then you can just hit 1 and then go in and mark it up. So see, that's not started, this one's in progress, this one's in question. Super quick to go through, and you're just flying through. All right, that wraps it up for this exercise.